Fountain of Healing Meditation.
Before we get started, I just want to thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tools to become your best self. Let's begin.
Welcome to this relaxing Fountain of Healing meditation. To begin, we will start by focusing on our breathing. Breathing is essential for our bodies, but people often pay little attention to how they do it and rarely focus on using the best techniques. Together, let's take 3 nice, big, deep breaths. And as you do this, pay attention to your belly and your lungs expanding. Ready? Now fully breathe in and exhale, letting your body relax. Breathe in again deeply and let any worrisome thoughts just fade away as you exhale. Last one. Let this inhale fill your body with as much oxygen as you can. Then, let the air escape from your body as your body relaxes even further into your seat. Now allow your mind to drift and wander to the thought of a small, ornate, hand-built fountain. This is the fountain of healing, the fountain of relaxation. This fountain is built in a way that the water is waist-high and easy for you to access. Maybe there's a sculpture that the water comes out from, splashing down into the basin, or perhaps the water just shoots up in a beautiful way. However you imagine this fountain, picture it very vividly in your mind in as much detail as you can. As your gaze focuses, you notice the water is crystal clear, but it also seems to glow with a golden light. This light draws you in closer, and you step forward and approach the fountain until you are standing right in front of it. You touch your hand to the side of the fountain and you feel the way that it's built. You see how sturdy it is. Now dip your fingertips into the golden water, and as you do this, you feel a profound healing sensation in your fingers. Now dip your entire hand in this healing water. pleasure that this water brings you is so wonderful that your body craves more. So you gather some in your right hand and you splash it onto your left forearm. Then you gather some more and cover your upper arm and shoulder with this water. The moisture on your skin is glistening in the sunlight, similar to how diamonds reflect light. Now do the same with your left hand, cupping the water and soaking your right arm with it, all the way up to your shoulder. This water is not only extremely soothing, but its appearance is stunning. Now cup both hands together and gather some of this glowing substance. Gather as much as you can, watching it slip through your fingers a little, and then slip over the edges of your hands. This time, bring the water to your mouth for a drink. As the water touches your lips, it is simply sublime. This water tastes heavenly and feels fantastic on your skin. It nourishes you and it relaxes you. Now take another handful and drink some more. Gather one more handful and splash it on your face. This water seems to wash away all of the worries you've ever carried throughout your entire life. Know that you can come back to this healing fountain anytime that you need to. Find some place near the fountain to sit down and relax, and just feel completely free and clear and open-minded. Take a moment to listen to your inner voice. Allow yourself to experience any special messages that you have been needing to hear as you gently and kindly open your mind to anything you feel or hear. Whenever you're ready, take another nice deep breath and become fully aware of the present moment, ready to take on the rest of your day with renewed vibrance as the result of the beautiful healing that you've received from the universe today. Thank you so much for watching.